All right, now let's discuss the audio signals because this is a very important part of our trading strategy. And the way to activate it is when you're on the JSTStream website, for all of the streams, if you hover your mouse on the bottom left corner of the stream, there's going to be this unmute button right here. So let's go ahead and click that. And you always want to make sure that the live button is red. Now, let's say that it's gray. For example, I'll show you if it lags behind, it might turn gray. You always want to make sure that you click live, and there we go. We're back to the live range bars. Now, how do the audio signals work and what are they? So we developed them over the past couple of years, and the way that it works is we have up to 70 to 75 different indicators, and we've programmed them at various parameters. Once they all come together, they're going to give an audio signal. For example, buy now BTC or sell now Tesla or buy now USD JPY. Now, what we want to do is as soon as we hear the first audio alert, we are going to make sure that, the range bars are showing a similar pattern. For example, right here, we're starting to see this red candle forming. So if we hear a sell now alert, that would be a good indication for us to enter a short position. So that's where I would be entering a short position. And the opposite as well, like for example, right here, we can see we're in this downtrend. We're starting to get this green candle here, and this is on a gold chart. Now, if we start to see this and we get an audio signal, buy now gold, that would be a good indication for me to enter a gold position right away. So that is how we would be using the audio signals in addition to the range bars. And now a lot of people also ask, what if I'm getting multiple signals? So for example, it says buy now BTC, and then a couple seconds later it says sell now BTC. So what we always do, the rule of thumb when it comes to that is always enter on the first signal we get. So we enter on the first signal, let's say it's a buy signal, and we'll set our stop loss, we'll set our take profit, and then we will ignore the next ones. And we will just wait until that trade is closed, and then we will move on to the next trade. So that's a little bit of an overview about the audio signals, how to activate them, as well as how to use them as part of the range bar strategy.